Hey everybody, here's what I got in my package. It was supposed to be bigger.
It's supposed to be what?
Bigger.
Okay.
Because it
You
was.
said you'd get me a slime and you didn't.
Yeah, well, I thought I got more than one.
You got two and you didn't give me one.
No, I didn't get two.
Putty?
Oh, it went bad.
Seriously?
Yes. Okay, so it's rainbow. It's supposed to be bigger.
Different shades and make sure to scrape all the product from the container. It's crazy how much lipstick there's still inside when you already think you've hit the
Shut
plastic
up.
bottom.
She's so annoying.
My lipsticks have melted, so it's time to give them a little stir and take them off the head. Pour the beautiful liquid goodness in a glue
Like
stick
if y'all
that
have ever
really
watched her
fast,
before.
because lipstick solidifies
What, Jacy, what's the name of her channel?
bright glue lipstick. I love how
What's the name of her
works
channel?
Exactly like the usual lipstick. You can roll
You can
it in
check.
and out of the tube. Apply it on the lips and it will give you the most beautiful rosy pop of color. You can even use it as a cream blush. Swipe it across your cheeks and
Really
blend out
good
with your
slime.
fingers for that gorgeous rosy flash. I love this pinky shade for this time of the year. It's gorgeous.
It's called Sarah Beauty Corner.
Sarah Beauty Corner.
What are you doing with that glue? Nothing.
Excuse me, Jacy.
Huh?
I can't see.
You can't see?
Yeah.
Then why are you there? You hadn't said nothing about it for 10 minutes. And you've been talking about it like you can see something.
It's hard to get out.
Huh?
Talking to the camera.
If you're more a lip gloss kind of girl, this DIY is right up your alley. Take a wider coloring marker and take out the ink tube plus the felt tip. Go ahead and wash the marker container thoroughly and choose any kind of lip gloss that you want to use. I decided for this rich, glittery cherry pink shade. Open it up and pour the product in a little container. Take the syringe and suck the lip gloss inside. Now you can transfer it to the marker bottle without any mess at all.
I just figured it out. It's butter slime.
Set the pen to
I know I don't
the
match.
side.
Don't make
Time to
fun.
work on the applicator. Use some pliers
I just
to
put
snip the
this on,
applicator
'cause my
off
pants
the
were getting
original
annoying.
lip gloss lid. Make sure to keep the stick
Okay.
as long as possible. Grab your super
So,
glue and apply a drop
I'm
on
gonna
the end
try
of
to
the
get it out.
applicator. Push it inside the marker lid so it sticks firmly. That's it. We've successfully transformed a usual lip gloss into a legit and epic marker lip gloss that works so well.
It's so hard to get out.
I'm honestly surprised how well this DIY turned out. I mean, I am speechless. The opening at the tip of the marker is narrow enough so it removes the excess lip gloss when you pull the applicator out. It literally works exactly like
Let
a
me show you.
normal lip gloss tube,
See?
which is kind of insane but totally awesome at the same time.
Let me show you how it's butter slime. Let me get all of it out. I don't know if it's actually butter slime. It's just like kind of bad butter slime. It's still really good slime, just like a bad butter slime. It's still really good.
You don't
So
have time to brush your hair, right? Well,
no,
here's a cool
but
hack
I
to
give
keep
it
your hair from
a
the
8
Take a
for
small
the.
notebook that has a
Okay,
spiral
so
on
this
one
I got this
side
off of
and open
Amazon.
it up, wrap it
I
in
give
the
this an
middle.
8
Your hair
because it
folds
was
into
supposed
a
to be
small
bigger.
notebook. Next, grab your glue gun and apply a stripe of
So-
hot glue all along the comb.
But the container is
Now
really
stick it to the
good.
spiral part of the notebook
Except
like
for,
this. Oh, yeah,
I'm going to
we
take
got
away
ourselves
2 more
a
points
notebook
because
that has a built-in
how much
hair comb.
trouble it's
I'm
taking to
talking
get it
about
out.
school supplies, right? No problem.
But that's probably
You
not
don't
their fault
have
because
to
it probably
sort out your
melted
crazy hair in the morning.
on the
You
way
can make
here.
it all perfect when you get
But
to
still.
school. If your hair likes to get
Well,
entangled
why-
and weird during the
might have
day
just
or
got,
after
like-
the PE, this DIY is a must try.
But I'm not going to take away 2 points for that because the container's great. I really needed another small container. Okay.
Have you noticed that the hair chalk looks exactly the same as the classroom chalk? I definitely did, and this idea was born. Take the school chalk out of the packaging and get your hair chalk ready. hack is of course very straightforward. All we need to do is place our hair chalk in the empty package of school chalk. Easy peasy. This is done in seconds and we're all set to smuggle hair chalk in class. Experimenting with different hair colors is always so much fun. And if we can play a little trick on the teacher in the meantime, even better. Let's make a couple of cotton candy highlights to the hair and see how the teacher reacts. The Earth is unlike any other planet in the solar system due to a number of different ways. It is the only planet within the atmosphere containing 21% oxygen. Earth is often called the blue planet. What's going on with the
What's going on with that hair of yours?
Well, whose else's hair would it be? The girl behind me? Okay, this is so hard getting out. I've spent
hair
a
of
lot
yours?
of
My
time
hair? What do you
trying
mean?
to get this out.
Nothing. So Earth
Is there even any pink and blue? I don't see it.
Yeah, it got mixed.
Is it actual slime now?
Yeah.
Is it butter slime? Can I feel it? Can I feel it?
Hold on, let me mix it in.
You mixing the colors in? Will they mix all the way in?
Yeah.
And you won't be able to see it?
Yeah.
Something wrong? No.
Look,
Focus.
Tracy, let me redo
I
it.
saw it.
Few
saw
things make
it.
you feel as fabulous and
We'll have to show
your
them.
favorite perfume. And good news is that
No,
you
can I
now
show
have
you
your
that?
favorite scent always with you and right on your school desk.
Wait. Sorry. Okay, I'll let you see it if you hold this on the slime. So first, let's swirl it. You have to do the jumpy rope. Here's a little hack of how to do a swirl.
An empty
Do the
bottle
jump
of
rope.
lens cleaner and wash it thoroughly.
Do the
Now
jump
add your
rope.
favorite perfume, body spray, or
Go
mist
ahead.
and pour it
Okay.
into the lens
Do the
cleaner
jump
bottle.
rope.
We want
And
lots
then
of this
I do it in my
fresh
hand, I
body
don't
mist,
know
so
why.
let's fill the bottle right up to the top.
Ow. That's a bad swirl,
Take a
but
lid
this
with a
kitty's
spray
scratching me.
nozzle
And
spray
then
on the
go.
bottle.
Jonas got a text. Oh, it says Matt and Rebecca. Okay. We have a problem. Okay.
Can I play with it? I held the camera.
Smells good. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Okay. Bye.